Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the block blast glitch, guys. Okay, the block blast glitch is where you basically start tapping all these blocks at the same time, and it will actually register them as just one move. So you can do multiple moves, and it will just register as one move, guys. Okay, you can do that. Let me put this here. This is a good place, and put this one here. Grab that. So I keep clicking at the same time. But only guys, this will only work in some devices and may only work sometimes. Okay, it's not guaranteed to work every time because it is a glitch. Okay, it won't work every single time, but you have to keep trying. Let me place this maybe. Let's see. This is a good place to place this one. I'll place this one here. Let's place it. So you keep trying that, guys, okay? That is one of the glitches to do. There's also another glitch. Well, let me place these items here and break some things, okay? This one as well. So the other glitch, guys, is where you put a move, and let's say if you make a mistake, before the app registers it, what you want to do is quickly close the app and open it again. It would unregister the move. But this only works sometimes as well, guys. It doesn't work every single time because these are just glitches and it only work in some devices. It depends on your version as well. Anyways, guys, so if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check that out, guys. Look at this combo move. That was good, and now I don't have any space to put this one, guys. Anyways, subscribe, guys, to Appier Solutions.